Point Claude Code at localhost. Same agent UX 0 per token cloud meter. OpenAI-compatible coding agents can talk to a local endpoint. Ollama or vLLM, same loops, local tokens. Cloud coding sessions, clock the meter. Agent loops, retries, context dumps. The bill climbs while you wait. Spin a local OpenAI-shaped endpoint. Ollama or vLLM, base URL, points at your machine, not theirs. Wire Claude Code or any OpenAI-compatible agent to that base URL, same UX, local tokens, meter off. Pick a model that fits your RAM coding class local weights. Not every model is Cloud Claude. Be honest. Honest catch. Cloud Claude still wins on hard reasoning. Local needs RAM, preferably a GPU quality trade. Meter kill. Kill the coding agent meter. Keep the agent. Point it at localhost. Pay silicon, not tokens. Like and subscribe for more local AI that actually kills the cloud bill. Open codes, 0 meter.